Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a shop with me. I actually want to go to the stores and do some spring shopping, so I figured that I would take you guys with me so you guys can see what the stores have, and if you like something you can go directly to it. We're gonna go to Target. I'm outside of Target right now. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby, and I want to go to HomeGoods. So hopefully I have time to do all three stores today. Once we get home, I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I got today, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. I hope you like my channel and the type of content that I create, and without further ado, let's get into the store. So I am starting with Target because I am actually really hungry. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon and I haven't had breakfast or lunch. So I want to get a ham and cheese croissant, and I also love these little sweets with half chocolate. I'm going to have one of those, and I'm also going to have a coffee. I always get a caramel macchiato and it is so good. I feel like Target is always a good excuse for Starbucks. I always stop by the dollar spot at Target. I feel like they have so many goodies. Everything is from $1 to $5. For example, these little towels are $5 for 2 towels, and this little pitcher is $3. They have so many colors. They also have toys for kids. I usually always find something for Caleb there for him to play. This little thing, I have it in my dining room table and I love it as decor for spring. I also love these bottles, you guys, if you're looking to refill your soap and make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Those are perfect for $3. They had some bunnies for $3. If you're in need of a bathing suit, head over to your Target. They have so many different colors, so many different styles. I actually like the few, and we have some vacations coming up, so I might go back for those. I also saw a bunch of new dresses for spring, and also this blouse that was really cute with the tie at the back. They had it in different colors. I didn't get any dresses because they really didn't speak to me. I'm seeing a bunch of new sandals for spring, and they're all very pretty and very trendy. Good prices. Some are $34.99, some are $24.99, and even $19.99. But I actually came here to find Caleb some sandals. We have a trip coming up and I need to get him a few sandals. They usually have a pretty good variety, but this time they didn't have a lot. This is my favorite little area for toddlers. They have so many cute shorts for spring and even like jeans at such a good price. This one is only $6 for that short. It is so cute. I wanted to get one for Caleb, but they didn't have his size. I feel like the problem is they're so cute that they run out of stock pretty quickly. So I only found one jean short that I got Caleb in his size.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time.
As soon as I walked into Hobby Lobby, I fell in love with this mirror. It is so beautiful. It stands on its own and it looks vintagey. It was $169, but they usually have 30% off their furniture, so it makes it a little bit more affordable. And you guys, Hobby Lobby has to be my favorite place for home decor shopping. I feel like the place that has the most variety, especially for holidays and seasonal decor. They just have so much of it. How Hobby Lobby works is that they will have 1 week table decor will be 50% off, and then the next week the wall decor like artwork and mirrors and things like that will be 50% off. Make sure that you always take advantage of the sale so that way you can save a lot of money. They have everything from table runners for spring to little bunnies and things for your kitchen. I love this table runner so much. Now I wish I would have like blue things in my house just so I can incorporate it. The Easter decor is now 40% off, so all the prices that you're seeing, you take an extra 40% off on top of that.
Come a little closer, there's something I
still getting a few last minute Easter things for Caleb, like eggs, and I still need to get him a new Easter basket, so I'm looking for those. I found a few. They have so many eggs, $2.49 plus 40% off, and these are a bunch of eggs. They have little eggs, medium size, and very large ones, so you have all the variety that you need here. HomeGoods always has like such good deals on outdoor furniture and outdoor planters and home decor. They have so much variety this time that I went. Usually they are pretty picked over, but if you're also in need of pillows, this is the place to go because they have such a huge selection, really good prices, and you can probably find anything that you're looking for.
Alright, are we ready to see everything that I got? I'm gonna start with HomeGoods, and the first thing that I got was this little tray. I love that when I saw it. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I like the flowers inside of it, and I like that it's not just for Easter. It can also work for spring and all the summer months. I want it for hosting outside. I love hosting our family. It was only $14.99, so a total steal. And with that, I also saw this picture, and I loved it so much. I love the design of it, the color of it, and I said to myself, like, do I really need it? And I was like, I don't think I need it, but if it has a top, I'm gonna get it. And it does come with the top. I love that it comes with the top, so that way whatever is inside my picture kind of like stays protected, and I don't have to worry about flies getting in there or anything like that, or like leaves or dirt. With that, I got the glasses to go with it. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you up close because these are stunning, and I wanted to get 6. They only had 5, and I didn't want to go with an odd number, so I just picked up 4, and these are gonna be super pretty for hosting in our patio, even inside the house. They're gorgeous. I got some pajamas for Caleb. These are so soft, like the material, I don't know what the material is, but super soft, and it was only $14.99 for a set of 2. Cute little shirts. I love the sleeves right here. They're kind of like preppy looking, and this was actually $30 originally, and I only paid $8.99 for it, so that's such a good price, and I love it. For the same brand, I got another one for him, so the blue one. This one was also $8 and originally $30, so I can already like picture Caleb with cute little jean shorts and these shirts. They're gonna be super cute. And also from HomeGoods, I got Caleb a new swimsuit outfit. We're going to Miami in a few days, so he needed a new one. He's outgrown all the ones that he had. Next up is Hobby Lobby, and this is always my favorite store where I find the most. The first thing that I bought was these chargers. These are so beautiful. These are very like French country inspired. They have like that little very feminine design to them, and that's what I like about it. I bought 8, and I'm gonna put them on our table so you guys can see what they look like. I also saw this little bunny kitchen towel, and I thought it was so pretty. I love the bunny in it, and I love the colors. I think it's very neutral, and it kind of goes with the theme in our home. And since I'm gonna have a lot of colors for spring, I think this is not gonna take away from all the colors. I also bought this little butter thing. I don't know what it is, but it is so beautiful. It also has that like French design to it. It was only $13.99 plus 40%. Everything that you see here has 40% off, so it made it a lot more affordable. I got these eggs that are a gold color, and these are gonna be mainly for decorating. These are so pretty. I'm thinking about putting this right next to the plates and having like one of the gold eggs in here. I think it's gonna look so cute and just different, you know. These are little egg holders, and I bought 8 of them because I want to put them on the tablescape that I'm gonna make with you guys. So excited about this one. I never had like Easter plate. I don't really own a lot of Easter decor, but this year I was like, I'm gonna try something new. And I also got this little egg separator. How cute is that? And that's actually functional because my husband likes to eat like eggs without the yolk, and this is gonna make that process so much easier. So I'm excited to use this. This is something that I've been wanting to get for cooking. This is like a clock for when you're cooking. You can set the timer and then put it down, and it will beep whenever dinner is ready, and that way you don't overcook things. Actually, that was not the last thing that I got. This is the last thing that I got, and this is an egg tray. So now for Easter I'm gonna be making like the double eggs, so I think that this will be very handy for me to put all the eggs in there. And it actually rotates in here, and it comes with the top, so you can put it outside, no flies will get in it or dirt. This one was $7.99 plus 40% off. I want to make an Easter tablescape with you guys on YouTube, and also I'm gonna make a reel on Instagram, but I'm gonna share with you guys an idea that I had. So I'm gonna put, for example, like the coaster here, and then the plate will go here. And I was thinking about just adding that little egg. I'm gonna have one of these next to each of the plates, and then I'm gonna put one of the golden eggs right in it. And that's kind of like my idea. Of course, I still need to put like the napkins and the glasses, but you can kind of see my idea and where I'm going with it. Alright, from Target, it was basically all for Caleb. I found this swimwear for him, so I also got this since we're going to Miami. And I finally found a pair of shorts that would fit him, so I got this for him in a black t-shirt. I also got a few summery jewelry pieces from Amazon. This I can actually link for you guys. The other stuff, since it's from the store, I can't link it, but this I can. So this one is a bracelet, and it has like little pearls. The pearls are supposed to be like freshwater pearls. It says they're real, but I don't know if I trust that they are real, but they're really pretty though. Here's what it looks like. I like to change my jewelry a lot. These hoops right here are so pretty. They're gold and they have the pearls on them. I think these two together will be so cute with like a summer dress. This could also be a good gift for like your mom or your sister or anyone, a friend. I also got this necklace, and I love this type of necklace to use with like sweaters and shirts, things like that. These are a little bit more like dress down, and I like that it has a heart on the back and then a C in the front for Caleb. These 3 pieces I will have linked for you guys below. I'm thinking about getting my sister another one of these, and my mom and my mother-in-law one of these ones. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked the video. Let me know if you like going to the stores with me, so that way I can take you into other stores in future videos. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see future uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!